Hello everyone, this is Himanshu and welcome to this room database series. And in this video, we will simply create an entity for our database. So I'll show you what is entity. So entity is our data which we want to store in our database. Okay. So in this video, we will create an entity. Okay. So go to your package and simply create a class of note, and we take two things here. First is title, which is our type string, and second is description, which is also a type of string. And for making this class as entity, we simply annotate with entity, you can see. And now this class is entity of our database. So our table name is by default this node class, and these two title and description variable is column to each of row. You can say we have a row in which we have a column of title and a column of description. So suppose we have a zero element here, so we have some title and description for our zero row. For first row we have something else, for second row we have something else. It's a simple 2D array if you think, or you can imagine. Simple. So this is all for our entity we required. So thank you for watching this video, and we will continue in our next video.